All right, y'all, let's talk about what is going on with Bitcoin right now, because after we reached the high at about 57,850, give or take, we have been in a downtrend since then. And yesterday we had something very drastic happen, which is in the middle of a downtrend, we had a very serious wick to the downside. We found perfect support on the value area low of this local range, and then we had a big pump to the upside, actually coming outside of the value area high, and now we are currently back inside of this local range, currently retesting this point of control as our support. So let's talk about what is going to happen and what levels we can expect Bitcoin to hit depending on what price action does. So right now we're at a very important place, which is the point of control of the range that we are trading in. This is a local volume range. If we are able to hold this level as support right here at about 54964, then I do think we are going to see another move to the upside. However, if we lose this point of control, then I think below us we have some very clearly defined areas of support that we need to be aware of for a bounce. Now, first of all, our main areas of resistance are coming in right around up here, around 57.5, give or take. There's a lot of confluence in this area. And we know slightly above us, around 58K, we also have some more resistance up here. But what about supports? We don't really run into any support until we come down to this area right down here. This is a weekly level right here, about 51.8, 51.9. And we can see right here that if we are to lose this value area low of the range around 53.8, it will be a very fast move down to this weekly support. But do we have anything before the weekly support that we can look out for? Well, if we pull our fib from this swing low to this swing high right here, I'm sorry, that's the wrong fib pull. They call me Jay. Where did I pull that fib from, Casper? If we pull our fib from this swing low down here to the swing high, we can see that we do have some interesting things going on here. First of all, we have a lot of liquidity down here that could easily be grabbed if we come out and take out these lows and get a bounce off the 618 at around 53.3K. Okay, that is a very important area of support for me right now. If we lose 53.3 or just 53K in general, then I am looking down to this area, 51.9, and we actually do have a very important zone of support right down in this box. We have a very important zone of support right down in this box here. There's a lot of confluence down here, which will hopefully, if we get a dump, find support. We can see that this is where all the liquidity, all the trading starts to happen right in this area. And so if we do come down into here, if we don't bounce off the weekly level, then I am expecting us to possibly find some support right here, maybe around 51.445. We can see there's a high volume node right here. Something else that's very interesting is the fact that Bitcoin has been trading in this parallel channel. We can see now that as we come up, we've lost the channel. We came back into it, rejected off the middle point, have come down below it. Now we're currently rejecting off the lower trend line of the channel again. This honestly is showing some bearish signs here, because if we're unable to come back into this channel, and we really do, if we ignore this wick, we come down, bounce off of it, reject off the middle point, come down, now we're getting a retest. It's very possible that we do see ourselves coming down to these support levels. If we go to the higher time frames, like the 2 hour, we can see that momentum is starting to turn up. However, if we look at market Cipher B, we can see money flow is coming down, which probably means we could do something like this, where we get a retrace, a retest, and then come down even more, and we just simply print momentum waves like this and come down even lower as money flow curves down, and then we'll find support somewhere below us as money flow starts to curve up. When we see the bullish divergences, that's how we know that we're going to get another move upward right now. So what we have to do is just look at these levels, and then we just have to look at market Cipher B to determine when we are actually going to get the retrace. Now, I'm currently still in a short position from up here at about 57,850. This is a trade setup I did post in the VIP Discord on October 4th, where we were looking to short 57,850, that exact level. I'm currently still in that short. It's up about 130%. Extremely juicy short. Let's see if I can find it in here. People are absolutely killing it in the VIP Discord here. People are absolutely killing it. Well, I can't find it, so. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this was my last take profit here. I've been compounding the short also on the way down. So this was a trade setup we were looking for at this important level. By the way, if you do want to get into the VIP Discord, where we do post in here daily technical analysis updates, giving you my exact levels that I am trading, where you can even import them into your own charts. You can import the levels directly into your trading view, and every single day I'm showing you the levels locally and in a macro scale, the exact levels that I'm looking to trade. We also have a thriving community of people in here doing technical analysis for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for a lot of altcoins. We are trading altcoins in here as well. You know, we are in this very juicy SOL trade right here. We can see that also last week, this SOL trade was one of the potential setups that we found during the VIP live stream, and that thing hit to the exact dollar and smashed 2 take profits already. It's up right now. 140% was the last take profit. You can get in here by going to patreon.com/Jason Casper. All right, so the levels are pretty clearly defined for me right here. We have this box of major resistance above us, which is right here. Okay, this is the box of major resistance. This is a box of major support if we lose these lows right here. And then if we come down below there, we have further levels of support to the downside that we need to be aware of. Now, if you don't know how to do technical analysis and you want to learn how to get these levels, how to find good trade setups, how to scalp and swing trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, check out jasoncaspertrading.com, because this course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader, where we walk you through step by step everything you need to know to feel comfortable trading these markets, to find those good entries. This is changing the way thousands of people approach the markets. It's turning losing traders into winning traders. Of course, this is not financial advice, but we go through all the TA you need to know, how to use market Cipher, trading strategies that are very important to start winning trades, and then risk management so that you cannot blow your account and you can actually do this with longevity and profit over time. Okay, we are at a very important place, guys. We are currently in between. If we pull fib from this to this, we can see that we are currently, let's go down to a lower time frame actually. We can see that we are currently fighting between this bottom trend line of the channel and the point of control. And so depending on what happens now will determine my plan for the day. If we get a pump to the upside, I know what resistances I'm looking for to short. If we get a drop to the downside, I know what supports I am looking to long. And we can even see now on the 48-minute time frame, it looks like we are kind of getting momentum and money flow turning down for more downside. So we will see what happens. God bless y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.